This is the interior cabin, room number 8378 on the Carnival Firenze. So this is interior room. This will fit 4 people. You can see the beds right there. We'll look at them in a second. Usually you have this slot for the card. You have to have some kind of card that goes in here. A lot of times it's your sale and sign away card, but they already had this one plugged in here, which makes it easy for us. So this is the room. When you turn to your right, you get a nice closet. Let's check this out. There's some life jackets. We also got some life jackets on the bed. We have some young kids in here, so I don't know if those will be good for the kids or what. But you got some drawers down here. You got your safe. Very nice. Lots of hangers. Some good space in there. We have a car seat. That's probably where the car seat is going to go. Okay, here's your phone. Here's the different charging ports that we have access to here. Lots of fun. Let's see what we got in here. Blow dryer, pretty exciting. Okay, let's check out the bathroom. I love that this does not have your typical shower curtain, but it's more of your normal shower. Pretty standard bathroom for Carnival. A couple upgrades here, which is very nice. Lots of towels. The infamous toilet on a cruise ship, always fun. All right. Here we have a TV. And then some stuff. Our kids love Uno, so we cannot go anywhere without Uno cards. Got some swimming towels, beach towels. Of course, you got a little fridge, which is always a nice touch. So here's the beds. Very nice. Some lamps. And here's where the other 2 beds go. As you can see up there, the room steward will unlock those and bring them down to act like bunk beds. So we can show you later tonight what that looks like. But this will turn into a 4-bed interior room on the Carnival Firenze. All right, this is a balcony stateroom on the Carnival Firenze. And this is room number 8384. So this is what you see when you walk in. On the left, you have quite a bit of closet space to open up this first one. Good sized closet. Number 2, same thing. Very nice. And then number 3, life jackets. You're safe. And then you got 3 drawers down there, which is very nice. You got some more storage space right here. And then here's your ports. Hopefully that's adequate. And then down here you have a fridge. Let's see, here you go. Empty for now. And then a drawer. This is where you'll find your blow dryer. Okay. Nice TV on the wall. They do come with waters, but they are $5.25. So this has a 2-bed setup. You can combine these together to make a king. And this also comes with a couch that can be made into a bed. So this is a cabin for 3 people. Let's take a look at the view here. See the wonderful city of Long Beach. Got a couple of nice chairs here. There's Long Beach.
Very beautiful.
Very beautiful, says my daughter. We are about midship on deck number 8. Looks like they're doing some work while we're here in port before we get ready to leave. So that is your balcony room on the Firenze. We can go look at the bathroom. If I don't trip first. All right.
Watch your step.
Watch your step. Okay, here we go. Here's the shower. This again has the nice opening where you do not have the shower curtain sticking against yourself. Okay. Nice mirror, a couple mirrors. Here's your sink with some soap all ready for you. And some trays for your toiletries all ready for you as well. Here's some cups.
And an outlet.
And an outlet. Very nice. We like that. Okay. Here's your thermostat. Keep things nice and cool or warm. This too has the key placeholder where they already have a key in there for you so you don't have to use your own stateroom card and then the switch to make things dark. So there you go. That is a balcony stateroom on the Carnival Firenze.